Hey guys, Praveen here, and today we are going to look at this theme toggle we have over here. So we are going to look at how it's coded in Next.js. So let's just jump right into the code. So yeah, here we have the Next.js project, and if you go to layout.tsx, which is the wrapper for all the pages that we have in this application. Here we have something called theme provider. This theme provider comes from a package called Next themes, and we wrap it here. This has some props enable system, which is this one. So the system is nothing but whatever the system default, it adapts to that. Now the system defaults light mode. I'll just change this to dark mode. Yeah, so as you can see, the Chrome color also changes to dark mode, and our application also changes to dark mode. So this is the system default. So we're enabling system default and attribute to class. This just adds something called dark or light class in the HTML document. So we can use this as a base point for our tailwind CSS and update everything using that. And default theme is light and disable transition on change. So whenever we're changing these colors, if there are any transition, like a CSS transition in the page, that will be halted for this color change. So yeah, that's it on the theme provider. Now let's go to this actual toggle itself. So this is in the settings page. Let's go see how the settings page is done. Okay, now we have the theme toggle over here. Let's open this one. Okay, so this is the theme toggle page, and here we have a tooltip provider wrapper. So the tooltip provider wrapper is for the when you hover over it, it says system light dog. So we're using tooltip for that, and we have the toggle group. So these toggle group and tooltips comes from Shatsi UI, which is a wrapper around Radix UI. So we have toggle group which is type single, so only one thing can be selected, and the default value here comes from the theme of from Next themes. So whatever the Next theme has, it's set as a default value. And inside every tooltip we have a toggle group item which has the class name of height 7 and some checked classes to design the border and background color of these buttons. So even in dark mode it has some themes. So these themes comes from again Shatsi UI. So we are mostly using Shatsi UI for all the colors, like the sidebar colors, the background color, the text color, everything. So we are adding that here also, and that's basically for the structure. So everything related to dog themes, toggling, the default value, everything Next themes package takes care of it. And whatever we are getting the use theme from here, it has theme and set theme. So whenever you click on something, like on click, it just changes the theme to system, or changes the theme to light mode, or changes the theme to dark mode. And whatever theme is changed, you simply get it back again using set default value, and you can again update the value based on that. If it's disabled, of course you're not showing anywhere. If there's no value, we're disabling it for now. And that's basically it. So as I said, the heavy lifting is done by Next themes, and everything is just a wrapper around that. And if you come over here, system light dark, it's that simple. Let me know if you have any questions, and let me know if you need more coding videos like this, and if you want to see more UI components and how it's built. That's it for now. Bye bye.